This is an informative water restoration video brought to you by RestoPros of Omaha. Big thing I want to touch on today is just why we do a 2-foot flood cut in a lot of our customers' homes. There's two big reasons, in my opinion, that sums up the process to a good understanding of what we're trying to do when we get into somebody's home. The first one being is removing the affected drywall correctly. A lot of times when we remove it, and sometimes customers will say there's about 1 inch of standing water. How come you need to remove 2 feet of drywall? Well, drywall is an incredibly porous material and it soaks up water like a sponge. So when we remove it, there may be 1 inch of standing water, but depending on the length of how long the water was there, it could have soaked up 6 inches, it could have soaked up 8 inches. We won't know unless we actually remove it. So it's always a safe bet, just take 2 feet off on the wall and then we'll begin reconstruction. And on the reconstruction end, if we take 2 feet off, we can just take a standard 1/2 inch drywall board and we can cut it in half and just slap it back on the wall. So the other biggest reason why we'll do this is because these are non-factory edge cuts. So there's no mud bay that we can put in there to perform a level 3 drywall repair. So we'll actually have to skim coat to level 4, 2 feet up and 2 feet down. And then we can correctly put paint on there to make sure that all the work was back to as was condition.